Today I'm going to show you how to use the feature, the Do Not Disturb button on your iPhone. So go into settings, and then in settings, you want to look for Do Not Disturb and select it by tapping on it. And here you want to toggle those two buttons to make it green. So here how it's probably looks. So just turn those two buttons on, the scheduled and the Do Not Disturb. And then tap on from and to select the time. And you can scroll to the time that you want your phone to not disturb you. So for me, it's after 9:30, and after 6:30, I can start taking calls or text. Okay, so whatever time you want from and to, and during that time, you won't get any text sounds or phone calls when it comes in during those times, except if you get your list together for favorites. And the favorites people are like your parents, your spouse, your children, your bestie. So that would be allowed to make a noise like a text noise during the time that you have the Do Not Disturb feature on. And if somebody from your favorites list calls you twice within 3 minutes, your phone will ring. So it might be an emergency, and you probably want to pick up that phone call, whether it's 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock a.m. And really, that's about it. It's a nice feature to have, especially if you are a business owner and you use your cell phone for business. Having the do not feature or do not disturb feature on is really sweet, because if a client calls you in the middle of the night, that call or text won't make a sound and you can sleep like a baby. So that's about it. And hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thanks.